Hi guys, today I'm just going to do a quick unboxing video of this LCD monitor that I've picked up from eBay. As you can see, it's just a basic 7-inch little touch screen. It's got a HDMI input and a little stand. The reason I've bought this is for use for monitoring my YouTube videos. Inside, a little user manual, basically telling you how to use the remote control that comes with it. Protective foam. The actual monitor itself, which we'll come back to in a moment. Underneath here we have the accessories. We have the power supply, mountable stand, has a sticky pad on the rear should you want to mount it in some position, T-Sync adapter cable if you want to use it with a PC output, AV splitter cable with composite audio left and right stereo input, and the remote control. Quite a nice black gloss finish. Stereo speakers on the rear, vents for keeping it cool, power input, the AV input for that, HDMI input, which is the one I'll be using, and your D-Sync D-sub connector should you wish to connect your PC. Mounting bracket and thread underneath so you can use it with a standard photography bracket if you want. So there we are mounted. So what we'll do now, got the power cable. HDMI lead. Power it up. And there we are. Basic controls, touch buttons, so we can change different inputs. Back to HDMI, volume up and down, menu controls. All in all, quite a nice slim little unit. I hope that you found that useful, and I'll provide links in the description where I bought it from, which I think was eBay.